Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Google Play Store gift card on your Android phone. So let's get started. So if you have a Google Play Store gift card that you want to redeem, first thing is you're going to go to the Play Store itself. And once you go to the Play Store here, we're going to go right up top here to our profile. And then you'll see the option that says payment and subscription. We're going to tap on that. And there's an option that, as you can see, a redeem code, so you can tap on that. And once you redeem code, you have two different ways to redeem a code to your account. That's going to be the account it's going to redeem to. You can enter basically the code or scan it. So your gift card will probably look something like this. You'll see the code in the back. You can enter the code manually, or you can just scan it with the phone scanner. So you can go ahead and just point it to it, and it will scan the code basically, and then get that for you. So two different ways, and once you do that, it will redeem right into your account, and then you can use that to purchase stuff on apps, or purchase apps or stuff on the Play Store itself. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your phone. See you guys next time.